Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to use AutoDS for Shopify dropshipping. So let's get started. So the first step you'll have to do is to go into your browser and now go to the AutoDS website and make an account. Now on the top left hand side you'll see an add store option, click on it. And now if you have a Shopify store, just click on I have a Shopify store on the left hand side. And now click on continue. Now it will open up the Shopify app store and click on install. Now on the left hand side go to marketplace and now choose the product you would like to sell on Shopify. And now make sure that this is the right product and now click on import draft. Now a different button will pop up saying view in drafts, open it up. Now this will open up your draft section. Now click the check box on the left hand side of the product, and on the right hand side you'll see an import icon. Once you click on it, it will be imported to your shop. Now here you can see it is available and the total is 1 star. But for example, if you need to change the title or anything of the detail, just click on the drop down menu towards the right of the check box, and now you will be able to change the title, the location and the brand. Now you can change the description, the variants and the images as well. And now once you do that, on the right hand side you'll see save and import. Once you click on it, it will be saved to your shop. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.